Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you what I picked up in what is practically the last week, and this might be one of my best pickups ever. I really like all the things that I purchased, so unlike the last video, I really do like these shoes. So firstly, I'll apologize for my voice. I've been really ill the last few days and I'm still kind of recovering, so my voice is a little all over the place. But yeah, we'll just get into the video of what I picked up this week. So the first thing that I picked up was this Travis Scott Air Jordan hoodie. I know there's a lot of controversy around him right now, but I actually really do like this hoodie. I've been wanting to pick it up for quite a while, and I think the price actually dropped on this, so I managed to pick it up. Obviously, it has the Air Jordan Cactus logo on the front, as you can see. Hopefully it's going to focus on that. And then on the back, you can see it has the logo again. And what's nice about this is it's actually kind of embroidered all over it, and I'm a big fan of embroidery of finer details. And I just think this is a really nice one, and is something I'll keep for a long time. So the next on the list is, as you can probably tell by the box, a Nike SB, and this one was the Mummy Dunk. So I actually picked these up for a comparison. So this is a size UK 8, got these from StockX, but I did pick them up just for the comparison. I probably won't be keeping these, not too sure. They're really nice. I like how they glow in the dark, and I like the finer details on the shoe, but it's just not something I'm going to wear every day, so I probably will sell these at some point. But if you haven't checked out my comparison, check it out, because these ones were very, very good indeed. And there are a few things to tell the difference between a retail pair and a fake pair, so if you haven't checked that out, I promise you that's a good one to watch. And if you're trying to buy a pair like this and want to know if yours is retail or not, that video is here to help you. So pick these up. Can't remember what I paid. I think it was under 300, so they did drop quite a bit in price, which I'm pretty happy about. I think they will go up in price eventually if you hold on to them. So if you've got a pair, keeping it dead stock, that's a pretty good investment in the long term. The next pickup was actually from Supreme, and as you can tell by the box, black box, Supreme logo, it is a Supreme Air Force, and I can't remember which one this one is. So this is the flax colorway. And once again, I actually really like these as well. I think the only one of the Supreme Air Forces I don't like is the black one. So this was a nice colorway, and I do like how they come with spare laces. So somewhere in here, they come with the Supreme branded laces. And I think these actually look much better on the shoe than they do on the white one. Because on the white Air Force, the laces that are spare are red and they just kind of stand out. Whereas on this one, they blend in, and just that subtle branding of Supreme, well, not really that subtle, but the branding of Supreme on the laces just makes the shoe a little bit different. Obviously it has the box logo on the heel, but I think on the laces as well, it's just a nice little touch. However, quite a few people who I know have got a pair of these, the QC was very bad. My pair is actually pretty good, so I probably will be keeping these as I got them in my size. So happy with these, and I'm gonna add them to the collection. Probably gonna be a daily wear for me. Now, if we move on to the right side, we have a Yeezy 500, and it's been a while since I've unboxed a Yeezy 500. Can't actually remember the last time I got them, maybe the bone white pair. So this one is the taupe light colorway, and as you can tell, I was impatient, and I've actually already worn these because I just put them on as soon as they came out of the box, and I was actually pleasantly surprised by the color of these. So I wasn't expecting them to be as dark. I actually expected them to be more like the original pair, but I'm very happy with this colorway, and I'm going on holiday soon, and these will be what I will be wearing pretty much every day on holiday. Really a big fan of this, and it's something that you can just beat up. That's what this 500 is for. It's just a daily wear that you don't really have to take care of, for me, in my opinion. So big fan of these, and if you don't have a 500, these are really cheap and something you could probably go for. So this one is something I'm very happy about indeed. Next we have obviously another Supreme Air Force, and as you can probably guess, I don't like the black pair, so this is the white pair. So they restocked on Supreme pretty recently, and I thought, may as well pick them up. I actually don't have a pair of white Air Forces in my collection, can you believe that? So I thought, why not add these to the collection? This will be a daily wear for me, something I can just beat up and I don't really care about. Don't think the resale's that high, so I'm not too bothered if these get dirty. Obviously it has the Supreme box logo on the heel again, but like I said earlier, these come with the Supreme red laces, which is just a bit bold for me. I will be sticking with the white laces in them, but it's cool that they have that little accessory to add to them. But yeah, really happy with this pickup again. We'll just be wearing these into the ground. I don't really care about them, so pretty happy with that. Another shoe for the daily. This seems to be a video all about daily shoes. And the final shoe of the video, as you can tell by the sticker, you know where this is from. Let's take off the lid. It's a pair of Jordan 1s, and it's actually a women's colorway. So this is the Seafoam Jordan 1, and if you've seen my videos on this before, this is one of my favorite Jordan 1s ever. I really like this color. This like kind of pastel green color is really, really nice. The only problem with them is the stock laces that come in with the orange rim is just disgusting. They are really not nice at all. So I will be switching these out for the white laces. They do come with a pastel green lace as well, but I think the white lace just makes them look a lot better with the white toe and the white tongue. And because I'm going on holiday somewhere hot, these will be worn as well. So big fan of these. Obviously not for winter, but for a summer shoe, these are really good. And I expect the price of these to go up eventually. They're quite low right now, so if you're wanting to pick a pair up, I would pick it up now before it skyrockets, because this is a really nice color in person, and I think it's kind of slept on. Nobody really thought about this one. So yeah, big fan of this shoe. I can't promote it enough. It's one of the best colorways in my opinion. So that is everything that I've picked up pretty much in a week. So let me know down below what you've picked up. What do you think of the cops that I've made? Which one of all the lot that I got would you be picking up, and what would you be letting go? My favorite out of all of them, that's a tough one. I'm gonna say it's either the 500s or the Jordan 1s. I just think these are shoes I'm gonna wear all the time, and I'm really happy with these purchases, and I got them for a good price, so shout out to StockX, I guess, because the price wasn't too high. But thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.